Greetings and welcome to RHDS music courses, and welcome to this course on groove, ostinato, independence. My name is Rob Hart, and I am a musician, instructor, composer, and entrepreneur, and I'm a Berklee College of Music graduate, and I've been playing and teaching music for over 35 years. And I've studied privately with Tony Williams, Steve Smith, Mike Clark, Gary Chafee, and Scott Morris. In this course, you'll learn about hi-hat ostinato patterns. And I'm coming up with an upstroke tap, and then a downstroke accent, upstroke tap. Pattern is going to be where I'm playing one accent and three taps. It sounds like this. Reading rhythmic figures over ostinatos. Shuffles. Here's the full groove with the snare drum on 2 and 4. What? Double shuffle beat with ride cymbal, hi-hat on 2 and 4. The use of ride cymbal and hi-hat ostinatos over this. And please note that my left foot cannot move. So what I do is I practice a lot of playing independently with my right foot and my left foot. Ghost note application. So a ghost note sounds like this. And an accent sounds like this. Swing feel concept. With my thumb up, and I'm bringing the stick all the way back towards me, and I'm getting a very nice swinging motion. And I'm doing that with my hand, my elbow, and my wrist. Latin feel concepts. All these percussion parts came together on the drum set as different parts on different limbs. The bass drum, the hi-hat, the clave, and the ride cymbal, and the and much, much more. Sign up today to get started on your own musical path to a creative and musical transformation. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the course. Also visit my website, robhartdrumstudio.com, and there you can sign up to my emailing list to get the latest in content when it drops. You can also find me on all social media formats. Until next time, keep practicing.